Superbike-Coach Corp, and I'm here at Carson Pass RV, where my trailer is standing, the Superbike-Coach Mobile Trek Day, Trek Classroom. So yeah, I started cleaning up because to be honest, I didn't know where to start. It's got to start somewhere, so let's call this day one of many to follow, I guess. And so I was standing this morning in front of a whole lot of boxes with parts and whatnot for this trailer, for the transition and whatever, and I didn't know where to start until Marion said, hey, my wife, hey, why don't you just go and start cleaning it, you know? So, and I decided to go for an area, and that is, hold on, I'll turn around the beat, down the skirt line and down the black line. I started cleaning up the rims, which turned out pretty good. I think I gotta go through this again, and they need some detailer in the end, because it's so my guess is the guy, the pre-owner, never ever cleaned it, never, not a single time. That's how it looks like. So it came right in our hands on time, to be honest. You know, one more year like this and that is not removable anymore. Anyway, we get it done. This thing is gonna look brand new in the end. Anyway, I also started cleaning because that bothers me the most when it arrived and we checked everything out, and that is, and turning around again, the awning. So this is how it looked like when we got it. So, and I was afraid we're not getting this out, but check this out. Yeah, I think I gotta go over it one more time. You know, there's some streaks in there. I don't know if you can see it on the video. Yeah, you can, I guess. But this looks like almost like new now, and once I'm done with it, it will be for sure looking like new. So yeah, then I'm going into so I want to go as deep as I can down the skirt there. The staircase is here and all that, all the boxes and stuff. So because it also kind of started rusting because of negligence. Seriously, I mean, look at the real housing, how it looks now. And I wished I made a picture of what it had looked like before. So all of that is gonna look awesome later on. I'm super excited that there's a lot of work in there. I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of getting dirty, because it will be for a good reason, for a good cause. Stay tuned. Yeah, so this finished up first day. Mainly cleaning. I mean, what else, right? I can't mount anything, I can't mod anything yet. It's got to be cleaned up before, and on that way I can already see what else it needs. And there are some things came through. There is a broken bracket at the fender well, some other little stuff, nothing special, really. So yeah, I got the awning very clean. It can be there are still lots of streaks in there. I might get them out with a mop, and then because of the cleaner I was using, I made a whole lot of mess on the windows and the side here, but I kind of polished it all out. Yeah, you can see the streaks, but the residues of the cleaner I've been using, an aggressive one, it's pretty much out, so it's pretty clean. So yeah, then I got the rims beside here, right there. I cleaned the staircase boxes up. That is very clean. It's a little rusty down there. I gotta help it with a little rust remover and spray. That shouldn't be a big deal. And yeah, then everything here on that side below the black skirt is cleaned up pretty good. That won't be the last time, so that's an ongoing thing. just like with a car, you know, and especially since it's here on a gravel parking lot, it will dust, but from there it's pretty much just rinsing it off, drying it off, and go, you know. So right now it's about to remove the stubborn stuff, the tough stuff, and that's what I'm on. So that looks good so far. Yeah, so I'm breaking up the day, and tomorrow is another one.